Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can update your CapCut PC app to its latest version. So first thing, you are going to select this gear icon, go to settings and select this version. Or if you're on a project, I'm just going to quickly open up a project and just go to menu and go to more, and then select the version you're currently on. Make sure you take the try beta test version to enjoy the new features, and then select check for updates, and then you are going to select install now. First, you're going to read this first. Sorry, I say first like twice there, but you can now move the keyframes and tracks and use advanced keyframe value graphs, and I'm just going to select install now. Just going to wait for that to download. Takes quite a few minutes to do, and it's just going to basically tell you to restart the app, and you're just going to select restart, and don't worry about your project, it will be automatically saved. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!